Is your cloud environment a growing city or a chaotic jungle? In this course, we'll show you how to master Azure Design Governance to transform your cloud deployment from a potential financial drain into a safe, high-speed engine for innovation. You'll learn how to build a rock-solid hierarchy using management groups and subscriptions to ensure every resource has its place and every dollar is tracked. We'll dive into Azure Policy, the rules of the road that automate your security and compliance at scale, and explore self-healing remediation that fixes broken resources without you lifting a finger. Whether you're looking to stop sticker shock with smart budgeting or apply global compliance standards with a single click, this course provides the guardrails you need to move fast and stay secure in the digital age. Don't just build in the cloud, govern it. Let's get started. Navigating Azure can feel like managing an expanding skyscraper where costs change by the second. Without a solid plan, that flexibility can quickly turn into chaos, leading to skyrocketing expenses and security gaps. That is where Azure Design Governance comes in. It serves as your digital building code, security team, and accounting department all in one. It begins with the blueprint, organizing your digital estate into management groups, subscriptions, and resource groups. By building this structure, you create clear rules and budgetary controls, ensuring your organization stays compliant and within budget as it grows. Think of Azure Policy as the building code for your digital city. Just as an office building requires ID badges for security, Azure policies enforce vital rules across your cloud environment, like ensuring all data is encrypted or restricting expensive computer usage in testing environments. Without a plan, checking every resource manually leads to chaos. Azure Policy is powerful because it works at scale, automatically enforcing the good state you define. To simplify compliance, Microsoft offers initiatives, which are groups of policies. Instead of selecting 100 individual rules to meet complex standards like the UK NHS, you can simply apply the pre-built initiative, allowing Azure to instantly monitor and protect your resources, like a digital auditor who never sleeps. Knowing the rules of the cloud is only half the battle. The real power lies in making sure those rules are followed. Azure Policy provides different effects that determine how the system reacts when a rule is challenged. You can choose a gentle audit, which flags non-compliance for administrators to review without stopping the user. For stricter control, the deny effect acts as a stop sign, blocking any action that breaks a rule, like launching a server in a forbidden region. For a more helpful approach, append and modify act as assistants, automatically adding missing information like department tags to keep things organized. Finally, the Central Compliance Dashboard provides an overall health score for your organization. It highlights exactly which projects are breaking rules, allowing your team to fix issues before they evolve into security risks or financial burdens. Have you ever created a resource in Azure only to find out later it is missing something important? That is where Deploy If Not Exists comes in. It is like an automatic repair system for your digital estate. It doesn't just block a broken deployment, it steps in to fix it. If the system detects a missing requirement, like an antivirus extension, it triggers an automatic remediation task. This self-healing process fixes problems without anyone clicking a button, ensuring every resource stays organized, compliant, and secure. Moving to the cloud means moving from buying physical servers every few years to paying by the second. Without governance, this flexibility is a financial risk, like leaving expensive machinery running over a long weekend. We solve this by linking your organizational structure directly to your wallet. Since we previously organized everything into management groups and subscriptions, we can now see exactly which department is spending what. This data allows you to create active cost controls, like setting budgets that automatically alert managers before overspending occurs. When combined with Azure Policy, you can even enforce rules that prevent costs before they happen by denying the creation of expensive equipment. This is how design governance ensures the cloud remains a cost-saving tool for innovation. The course explored how organizations successfully navigated the transition to Microsoft Azure. It began by establishing a firm foundation through hierarchical organization, moving from management groups down to individual resources to ensure clear access and billing. Once the structure was in place, Azure Policy was introduced to enforce the rules of the road at scale. These rules were managed through various effects, like auditing for visibility or denying non-compliant actions, and simplified using initiatives for complex regulatory standards. The journey continued into self-healing environments, where remediation tasks automatically fixed broken resources. Finally, the course concluded with cost management, showing how budgets and alerts were used to prevent financial drain and ensure the cloud remained a tool for safe, sustainable innovation.